morning, grade ones. How are you today? Welcome to Word Work with Miss Wormy. Last week we were learning and building words with focusing on our short vowel sounds. If you can remember those 5 really important vowels in our alphabet, you can say them with me. So first we say A, and A goes ah. Then E goes eh. I says eh. O says ah, and U says ah. Those are our 5 vowels, and remember, they stick and glue words together. We need them in every single word that we read or write. They're so important. Today, we're going to continue talking about vowels, but I'm going to teach you something kind of crazy. So E, we call him, he's kind of like a magic letter, magic E. And why he's magical is because sometimes we see him a lot at the very end of a word. And he's magic when he's at the end of the word. And what he does when you see him at the end of a word, he makes the vowel say its own name. So vowels can make their short sounds, ah, eh, ah, and ah. But when there's a magic E at the end of the word, that magic E tells them or makes them say their long sound, makes them say their own name. So they actually say their name in words like A, I, E, O, and U. You can hear that when you say some of these words. So for parents, I have a little just definition up here about magic E. So E, whenever you see him at the end of a word, he'll tell the vowel in front of it to say its own name and not the short sound. I'm going to show you some examples right now. So on this side of the board, I wrote some words. So we have 4 words here, as you can say. So vowels saying its sound. This is where it says it's short vowel sound. So the first word, if we were to sound this out, we would say ad, mad. That word says mad. And he says it's short sound. Do you hear it? Ah, ad, mad. The next word I have here says it, kit. Also, do you hear that short sound? It. Then comes op, hop. And the last one, tub. So you hear all their short sounds. Now, if you look over here in this row, I wrote the same word as over here, but now do you see how there's this super secret magic E at the end? I'm going to move over here so you can see better. So when this E is at the end of a word, it makes the vowel in front say its long sound, say its own name. So this word over here said ad, mad, like if you're mad. Over here, when we have magic E, he makes the vowel in front say its long sound. So it'll actually say its name, which says his name is A. That's the letter A, so he'll say A. I'll sound it out for you. Aid, made. That word now says made because of that magic E. Let's go to the next one. Kite, kite, not it. It makes it now because magic E makes it say its own name. Kite. Next word, ope, hope. And the last word, tube, tube. Do you notice how crazy that magic E is? I am going to put some activities up on Seesaw for you to try and to remember that when you're reading and building the words, when you see a magic E, it changes the word. So you really have to look and notice and pay attention to whether or not you're going to say its short sound in the word or if you notice a magic E at the end. Here's a little brief summary of what I talked about today. So the vowels at the top, vowels make 2 sounds. They can make their short sound or they say their own name, and that's called their long sound. Happy learning, everybody. Thank you for listening, and I can't wait to see all your work on the activities. Bye.